Hello country people, this na video wey go explain tech for people wey just start to learn. Na African EdTech bring am come, so make you watch am. You fit call me Mimi Digital. Our video dem na for our people all over the world wey dey speak Pidgin, Patois, Creole or Chavacano. This na part 4 out of the 5 videos we get for una. For this video, we go talk about back end. By the time this video go end, you suppose dey sure which side you go make your next move, make you fit continue to learn more about tech. For the last video, we been learn the meaning of middleware, CPU, and APIs. Now, we go focus on back end. We go focus on the back end. Make we talk about the different parts of back end. When people dey talk about back end for tech, na servers dem dey mostly talk about. Servers na the koko of back end. No be the only thing sha o, but na the koko. Wetin I want make you know na say the front end na interface and the back end na servers. The two dey work together. As person wey be end user, you no go use the server direct. So you as end user no go need relate with server direct. But you wey just dey start to learn about tech, wetin you need to know na say some servers dey on premises while some other ones dey off premises. Na that one go make us talk about cloud. When we talk about server wey dey on premises, e mean say machine dey wey be your own or wey be the business own wey you fit use physically at any time. If need dey, engineer fit come check am anytime the server for backend get problem. The cloud na like service wey specialists dey provide, so instead to dey call am off premises, dem dey call am cloud. Na the difference be that. Plenty example dey of wetin the back end be. Of course, e big pass servers. All algorithms and calculation dey happen for back end. Architecture too dey for back end. Even some of these examples wey you dey see for screen dey back end. We wan make you just know these things as you dey look the examples of back end for screen. Ask yourself wetin you wan do next. Check out different options. Press pause, save, and share this video. Take step wey go move you forward for your digital tech journey. Choose wetin you wan do next. Join the gist for our website. Ask question make people wey sabi answer. Also, plenty things dey wey go help you learn. Just take one step into digital tech. Na the only thing you need do. Start somewhere, sha. Thank you for watching. Click to watch next video. Voiceover provided by Candace Voices.